Hi guys, we have here the RefectoCil Sensitive Developer Gel. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the new developer gel from the RefectoCil brand. Comes in looking like this. Let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a quick preview of what the tube looks like on the inside. RefectoCil started with the sensitive line. So it comes like this in the packaging, as you can see here. 60 ml, kind of like a toothpaste size. Great quality brand from the RefectoCil brand. For those who have sensitivity to many of the regular RefectoCil products, it's a great replacement product. So just want to give you guys a quick look at the sizing here at the product. Also comes with this mixing stick, so you can mix with the developer and the color as well. They also have the colors as well that are sensitive, that help for those who have product reaction to regular colors. So we do have those available. If you're looking to purchase any of these products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys, and have a great day.